How to change the ringtone of your Instagram calls. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change the Instagram's calls ringtone. So let us get started. First of all, let us check if it's even possible in our iPhone. Go to your settings and scroll down till you find the notifications setting. When you're on notifications, scroll down till you find Instagram. So head over to the I section and there is Instagram. Now after you're there, scroll down till you see the calls option. So there is no calls option. Now you can turn on and turn off the sounds, but there is nothing else that you can do. Now let us head over to Instagram's notification settings. Now after you're there, you will see the calls option. Tap on calls option and you'll notice that there is no option to change the ringtone. Now if you were on Android, there would be an option to change the ringtones and everything, but in iPhone there is no option which will give you the option to change the notifications, the calls ringtone. So yeah, that is basically all for this video guys. I hope this video answered your question if it was possible to change the call ringtone of Instagram or not. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.